Good morning, people of the YouTube. And let me tell you something. It is early. Not like super early, but earlier than I'm used to waking up. Like if I come over here, I don't know if you can see or not, but the sun is barely up. It's like right there. So this morning, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and try to catch some striped bass for you. Let's get right into these fish cans. Well, Wayne hooked up into another one. There it is, right there. And now we're gonna get away on it. That's about a quarter of a pound. Not really heavy, but they still give a heck of a fight. Wasn't recording, but
first
caught
fish
a
of the
nice
day.
one right there. First catch of the day. We'll see a lot bigger and more to come. Alright, let's get back up there.